I want to answer one of the most important questions I get. How do I know if this business fits my lifestyle and goals? Ang ganda ng tanong na yan kasi hindi lang ito tungkol sa opportunity, kundi tungkol sa buhay mo, oras mo, at gusto mong marating. When deciding if a business aligns with your lifestyle and goals, start by asking yourself if it fits your values and daily routine. Does it support the work-life balance you want? Next, consider your long-term goals. Will this business help you grow personally and financially? Also, think about the time and effort required. If it doesn't match your energy or passion, it might not be the right fit. Remember, alignment means feeling motivated and fulfilled every step of the way. So, you have to choose wisely and your business will become a true extension of your life. Let me answer this by sharing a bit of my own story. Hindi ako nagsimula sa business world. I was a nurse for decades. Long hours, no weekends, no holidays off. I loved what I did, but it took a lot from me. When I retired, akala ko tapos na yung mga ganyang bagay. Akala ko steady life na. But suddenly, life took a turn, bad investments, financial setbacks, and I found myself needing to go back to work. At that moment, I asked myself the same question. Does this business actually fit my life now? Because my life looks different now. I work part-time as a nurse from home. I help take care of our 2 grandkids. I'm in my golden years. I value energy, peace, flexibility. I didn't want to trade time for money anymore. So, here's what I realized. This business fits your lifestyle when? First, the training fits your learning pace. Lahat ng training dito recorded. Pwede kahit late at night or early morning. And I loved that because I could learn in my own time, in my own rhythm. Second, the time required matches your real schedule. Hindi kailangan full-time. Hindi kailangan 8 hours a day. You can build this. 1 hour a day, during breaks, after work, while kids are napping, during weekends. Before diving into any business, it's important to ask yourself, do I have the time to commit? Success doesn't happen overnight, and managing your schedule wisely is key. Think about your current responsibilities and how much time you can realistically devote each day or week. Remember, being honest with yourself helps avoid burnout and sets you up for long-term success. I built this business in between nursing shifts and in between diaper changes of my grandkids. And guess what? It still worked because this isn't about time, it's about consistency. Third, the earning system matches your goals. Kung ang goal mo, extra income, adding a second stream, retirement cushion, more time with family, work-life balance, long-term business, this can match you. Fourth, the system matches your values. Ito ang pinaka-importante para sa akin. I wanted a business that aligns with family, aligns with faith, aligns with my desire to help people, aligns with building legacy. And this system gave me exactly that. I didn't want to chase people. I wanted to serve them. I didn't want pressure. I wanted purpose. And that's what I found here. So if you're asking yourself tonight, does this fit my life? Here's what I'll tell you. This business fits any lifestyle that needs flexibility, balance, peace, meaningful income, a supportive community, and a system you can follow step by step. It doesn't matter if you're busy, retired, working full-time, or taking care of kids. You don't need to be a tech expert. You don't need long hours. You just need heart, willingness to learn, and consistency. Mas paano ko malalaman kung bagay sa akin ang business na to? Simple lang ang sagot. Tanungin mo at pakinggan mo ang puso mo at ang lifestyle mo. This business isn't about being perfect or having all the time in the world. It's about growing at your own pace. If you're looking for a business that allows you to grow at your own rhythm while still living your life, then yes, this business fits you. Your pace is valid. Your season matters, and your goals deserve a chance. If this spoke to you, register at my website at www.mariamolataranza.com. I'd love to guide you through the first step.